So a few weeks ago, Creative Labs reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out their Outlier ONE Bluetooth earbuds. Since I was in the market for Bluetooth earbuds already, I readily agreed. I've had these earbuds for a couple weeks now, and here are my thoughts. And just as a disclaimer, Creative Labs did send these to me for free. However, I'm not being paid to say anything here. That's just my honest review. First up is the design. The Outlier ONE actually looks quite nice. At these lower price points, design is often overlooked. However, with the Outlier ONE, that's not the case. They look quite modern and sleek. One thing to note, however, is the actual buds are quite large. They kind of stick out of your ears a bit more than other Bluetooth earbuds do. However, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Next up is battery life. I was able to get about an entire day's usage out of a full charge. I'm more of a casual listener. I don't really listen all day. So if you, say, listen to music throughout the entire day, your mileage may vary. So you're probably going to be charging these overnight if you plan to use them every day. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the battery life. Let's talk about sound quality. And to be totally honest, sound quality is okay. I'm no audiophile, but even I was able to tell that it wasn't as good as, say, the Apple EarPods. However, this level of audio quality is kind of expected at this price point. You shouldn't really be looking for Beats X kind of sound in something this cheap. Let's talk about fit. When I first put these in, even with the smallest tips, it was super uncomfortable. They just felt too big. However, just after using them for a couple days, I was completely used to them, so it just kind of depends on your ear size, I guess. Overall, I'd recommend the Creative Labs Outlier ONE Bluetooth earbuds if you're looking to get some Bluetooth headphones on the cheap. They're no Beats X, but you're getting them at 1/5 of the price, and for that, I think it's a pretty good deal. So these Bluetooth headphones get my thumbs up. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like tech videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. I'll see you guys later.